Hey, it's Griefus from GarageCast. If you don't know who this is my S10 Spike. It's a 94 S10 with a 4.3 liter V6, all 130 horsepower. There's nothing like driving a 30-year-old truck. We got a little bit of a dilemma here. It's raining, and my windshield wipers are not working. That's actually from a few months ago. Here lately, it's been real dry up until the beginning of July. I found myself racing home today, but I've had the part here for about 2 months. So tonight's the night, and hopefully this will remedy my wiper blades. The first thing we gotta do is gain access to where the motor connects to the wiper arms. You'll just pry up on the little plastic cap. It's got a 13 millimeter nut. And once you get that nut off, you just kind of wiggle it back and forth until it pops free. And then you'll do the same thing to the other side. It literally shattered. Now we got rid of our Bluetooth grill. Once you got that cowl out of the way, you can go ahead and use a pry bar to separate the motor from the wiper arms. Moving to the inside of the firewall, we'll go ahead and disconnect the wires from the motor. I did put some jelly up in there. There's 3 10 millimeter bolts holding that on. And that one on the bottom is kind of a pain to get to. I got an idea. I might just leave it there. Honestly, I was going to try to leave that bottom bolt in and see if I could go ahead and just wiggle that out off of there. Well, maybe not. No. Crap. Well, like normal, I found myself half planking across the motor to get it out. Finally. Got him. Stay right there. Let me up. Let me up. Please fall somewhere easy. Oh, couldn't have been a magnet. There she is. Ta-da. With the bolts and wiring unhooked, go ahead and slide the motor out, maneuvering the arm through the firewall. Now that you have them both side by side, we need to go ahead and transfer over all the pieces to the new motor. Looks good to me.
A few moments later.
I was just looking at the two of these together. I don't know a lot about parts or anything, but this has a circle thing, and this one don't. Is that important? Do you have one now? You just didn't put it on there?
Oh yeah, luckily that wasn't too bad. Well, thanks for catching that. This could have been worse. Alright, joking aside, now all we gotta do is do all the same steps but backwards. Go ahead and get the motor up against the firewall and put those 3 bolts in and plug in the wiring. So, see you out, boy. Alright. Oh, it's not. You can use a pair of channel locks to connect the wiper arms back to the motor. Just be very careful of that windshield right there. This means I get my windshield wipers anytime I want them. Sure would be nice. So, time to trace down the cowl. Now that we're at this point, I'm going to go ahead and top off my windshield squirter fluid stuff and check to see how the squirters are doing. The The low pressure might be a cause of something that's just stuck, like a piece of debris in the hose or in that nozzle. I'll try cleaning it out real quick. If I replace that hose, I bet they'll start squirting better. So, call it done.